What if your next iPhone could shine brighter in the sun and last even longer on a single charge without getting more expensive? That's exactly what Apple is reportedly thinking about right now. According to a report from the Elec, Apple might bring the same Tandem OLED screen technology it used in the 2020 for old iPad Pro to future iPhones. This screen tech made a big splash on the iPad by delivering excellent brightness and efficiency, and now it could be heading to the smaller screens in your pocket. The original Tandem OLED panel, which uses two OLED layers stacked together, made the iPad Pro stand out in terms of both screen quality and battery performance. Now Apple is talking to both LG Display and Samsung, its two main display suppliers, about something called simplified Tandem OLED. It's a clever variation that only stacks the blue pixels in a second layer, rather than doubling every color. Why blue? Because blue OLED pixels wear out faster and use more energy than red and green ones. By giving them extra reinforcement, Apple could extend the screen's lifespan, cut down on energy use, and still maintain color accuracy and sharpness. And unlike traditional OLED panels that only have one layer, this two-layer approach doesn't just look better, it also makes your phone more efficient. What's interesting is how Apple might be going for a practical solution that brings the same benefits but makes production easier and cheaper. That could mean more people get a better iPhone screen experience, not just those buying the Pro models. The current report suggests that if Apple sticks to its usual 2-year development and manufacturing timeline, we probably won't see an iPhone with this tech until sometime after 2028. That may sound far off, but considering how Apple slowly tests and rolls out new features across its lineup, it makes sense. It also explains why these discussions are happening now, so the groundwork can be laid for future releases. The good news for users is that this could be a solid upgrade that actually matters. A screen that's easier to see outdoors and uses less battery. That's something many users would welcome, especially when you think about how often people struggle to see their phones in direct sunlight, or how annoying it is when battery drains too fast. On top of that, the possibility that the technology may lower production costs means there's a chance the price of future iPhones doesn't skyrocket because of this improvement. Apple is clearly being cautious, as no final decision has been made, and they are still reportedly talking with LG and Samsung to figure out the best route forward. What makes this all more interesting is that back in mid-2024, both Samsung and LG were working on this simplified tech for other devices too, like potential upgrades for Apple Vision Pro headsets using micro OLED panels. That means Apple might be building a whole ecosystem of devices with brighter, more energy-efficient displays, starting from the iPad Pro and stretching all the way to the iPhone and beyond. It's too early to know exactly how this will turn out, but if Apple moves ahead with Tandem OLED, it could give iPhone users something that actually makes a difference day to day. We'll be keeping an eye on this tech shift and what it could mean for real-world use. Would you prefer a longer battery or a brighter screen, or both? Tell us in the comments. If you want to stay updated on future iPhone upgrades and what Apple's planning next, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.